Hi everybody, this is CJ with Cycletron. Well, if you watched my previous video from a few weeks back, you saw that I had a mishap with my 2023 Gen 3 Hayabusa. I had it in the driveway getting ready for a ride and it fell off the side stand, crashed down on its left side, did about $3,600 worth of damage. Had it into the shop and got all the broken bits replaced and did a few upgrades while it was there. So let me show you what we've got. So I had them install these T-Rex frame sliders. They kind of look like winglets. They're pretty nice. You can mount them to the frame without drilling any holes in the plastic bits, which is important to me. Also, while it was there, I got a full Brox exhaust system put on, the pentacarbon, and I sent the ECU off to Chris Moore, who reflashed it. So let's hear what it sounds like. Well, I think it sounds awesome. I left the pops and bangs on it, but those really won't kick in until I decel above 6,000 RPM. So for most of my riding, I won't be hearing those decel pops, but it's nice to have them there if I want to indulge on that. So let me know what you think. The incremental cost to get this exhaust was just a couple $100 more than the cost of one side of the stock exhaust. The stock exhaust was like the stock exhaust on one side was $1,350. And I saved probably at least 15 pounds. That's what the old exhaust system looks like. It's pretty massive. So I'll be looking forward to riding this bike soon. We've had pretty nasty cold snap the last 2 weeks that started right after I got this bike out of the shop. So hopefully we'll see a little bit of a warm up here in Minnesota in the next couple days. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and please stay tuned for future videos.